What's up, guys? So the other day I went to Goodwill and I found this really interesting panorama camera. It's a wide pick panoramic lens camera. It was only $2, so I thought I'd grab it, and I'm gonna buy almost anything for $2. It's a steal. But what really interests me about the camera is it's made out of the cheapest plastic I've ever seen. I thought for a camera to do something that's kind of cool like this, you'd have to have a little bit more of expensive of a lens. This is obviously a plastic lens, so it's not going to take the sharpest of images, and even just looking through the viewfinder, I can see some, like, I don't want to say chromatic aberration, just some out of focusness. Kind of like a Lomo toy camera, I'm going to assume. So I thought I'd take you downtown on a photo walk. I'll show you guys some of the throwaway pictures I took along the way, and at the end of the video I'll show you some pictures that I thought were bangers. Hopefully there's gonna be some, because I actually haven't had the film developed yet. It's at the lab now being developed, so let's check it out. So the other day I went to Goodwill and I found this really weird panorama wide pick camera. It was like $2, so I thought, why not grab it? It's a slightly wide lens, and it's really weird. When I think of a panorama camera, I kind of think of like a wide lux. But this is going to be interesting. So I got the GoPro on, and I'm going to walk around, and we're going to try and figure this out. So I started walking this way because I saw the cool signpost over there on the right. I thought it would make a really cool shot because they're kind of like disco ball reflecty kind of style things, but on film it didn't really turn out too well. Now, at this part right here, I kind of saw the trees and I saw that bird up there, so I thought that would make a really cool shot. Nothing too cool came out of that one. A lot of these, well, not a lot of these, all these photos are edited in Lightroom. I do like to edit my film. I know that's really controversial, but I came from digital photography, so that's what I'm used to. Especially with this film, none of it really came out too good. I don't know if it was the lens itself or the film, but I've shot with a 400 before, and it's worked out pretty well. But I got this cool shot of the lighthouse, I believe this one is. I got a bunch of cool shots of the lighthouse. Well, I say a bunch. I got 2 cool shots of the lighthouse. You'll see the other one later in the video. I like the second one a lot better than the first one. It's a really unique feature. It's like right in the middle of the two walls, I guess. It just looks perfect over there. Now, if the GoPro is making you sick, I'm really sorry. It's strapped to my body. That's actually a really good shot. I didn't think I liked that one at first, but I like that one. But yeah, the GoPro was strapped to my chest, and I was not doing a nice roll step, so it's super shaky. It was kind of hard to fix that in post, so I'm going to try strapping it to my head next time. Maybe that'll work out a lot better. Now, to the left over here, I saw this really cool dock, I guess you would call it. It's kind of curved, so I thought that would make a really cool composition. And then I tried taking a photo of this girl right here because I thought that would look really nice, but when I looked at the roll after it was developed, I don't think I even saw her, so I don't know what happened. Now here I wanted to get a cool picture of the skyline. It's nothing too good. I do come back later for a shot similar to that, and I like that one a lot better. This I thought was interesting, just the one birdhouse right in the middle there. I thought that was cool. For this shot, I just thought it would be a nice little water shot. I got the land bridge, I guess you could call it, in it too, so I thought it made a really nice shot. I really like the texture of all the rocks and stuff. It just adds something to the photos. So right here is that second lighthouse shot I was talking about. It's such a gorgeous shot, and it's just an interesting, at least to me, interesting composition. Kind of tells a story to me. So at this part I actually got down because I saw the tall grass, I guess you could call it, and I wanted to get a nice shot of the city. It ended up being actually pretty nice. It's nothing too crazy, but it's something I kind of like looking at. So right here, I was heading back now and I saw the entranceway to the dock, and I thought that looked really cool with the two signs on the side. Sometimes you just have to look around and you'll see something you didn't see there before, so this was definitely one of those cases where I just turned around and it was something cool. This camera did have a lot of light leaks in it, and that was kind of disappointing. I don't know if that was from development or from the camera itself, because it's only on a couple spots and you could barely notice it. It wasn't user error this time. I'm getting a little bit better at that. Although it's not that great of a camera, there are out of focus spots on the edge of the sides of the, I don't want to say screen. The edge of the lens has some out of focus spots, and it's really hard not to notice. It is cool that you can get something like this in such a cheap form factor, so if you can find this in eBay or a thrift shop like I found mine, pick it up if it's cheap enough. It's honestly not worth more than $10 though. I do want to thank you guys though for sticking to the end of the video if you actually are here. Hopefully I'll be making more videos like this in the future. I would like to do one video a week, but with life, having a full-time job and stuff like that, it's probably not going to be possible, especially because it's always cold outside, so the seasonal depression is real. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more of the videos, and leave a comment down below if you think that this camera ended up actually taking some pretty decent shots. It surprised me, I'm going to be honest. I'll see you guys next time.